Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can stop auto screen rotation in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. First, open any app in your phone here. I open Google Chrome. When I try to rotate my phone, see what happens. Screen is rotated. If you want to stop this rotation, yes, you can do it. For that, what you have to do is just go to the notification area, and here you will see auto rotate button. Just turn it off, and it is turned to portrait now. So screen is fixed in portrait. Now go to the same app. So here I go to same Google Chrome. When I try to rotate my phone, now screen is not rotated because it is fixed in portrait position. If you want to have the auto rotation, you got to go to the notification area and you got to click on portrait and it will turn to auto rotate. Now screen can be rotated. See here, screen is rotated. In the landscape itself, you can turn off auto screen rotation and it will turn to landscape now. So screen is fixed in landscape itself and you cannot rotate it to portrait. Okay, if you want to rotate from landscape to portrait, then you have to go to notification area and click on landscape again, and then it will go, it will again auto rotate. See here. So in this way you can easily control auto screen rotation in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.